Alright guys, here's your condo on a beautiful day. Everything's still here. I've looked in the cabinets, it's all there. It's actually it's stocked pretty well. Lots of big wine glasses and plates. And TV trays. She did tell me the Sanyo, that tube TV in the master bedroom, is a loaner from the homeowners association, but because they didn't tell us that, then we can keep it. But if you decide you want to get rid of it, give it back to them, please. Actually, I think it is the only one that's not a flat screen. It's that one. That TV right there. The other one they had went out. Alright. That's it. It's your new condo. And they didn't take that glorious picture.